Hey, this is Brad from Ready to Send. I'm going to show you how to install this Gmail add-on so you can start generating email responses automatically. First, we're going to go to getreadytosend.com and click on the install links. This will take us to the Google Workspace Marketplace. So all we have to do here is hit the install button and continue. We'll need to select our Gmail account where we want the app installed. This is just a demo account. And grant it access to our inbox. And after we finish this first step, now we'll need to go to Gmail. And if you've already have Gmail open, you might want to reload the page just to ensure the add-ons load. But if you look far down in the corner, you may not have the sidebar open or the side panel. Here you'll find the Ready to Send add-on. So you click on that. It'll take a second to open up the first time. And now that it's open, it's actively generating replies for new emails. So at this stage, you don't have to do anything else. Replies will just be drafted in your inbox as they come in. You'll notice I already do have some unread messages in my inbox that I haven't opened yet. And already there's been a draft that's been magically kind of added to it. So I can click on that. And here we go. A full email that in theory is ready to send or ready for your review. And that's all there is to it. Of course, we can customize or personalize this response and tweak it, but check out the other videos on personalization on how to get started. Thanks.